How you doing?
I'm great. I'm on my HOVSCO.
Sunrise glow on the California coast. Charge full up, yeah, I'm ready to coast. Rolling through the streets where the ocean breeze blows. HOVBeta riding, everybody knows. Cruising like a king down Monterey Road. Don't throttle down as I go, go, go. From downtown streets to the harbor view. Every mile I ride feels so brand new. 1300 watts in foldable frame, no shame, all game with a 60-mile range. Smooth suspension when the road gets rough. HOVBeta shining when the ride gets tough. HOVSCO HovBeta. HOVSCO HovBeta. Riding by the ocean, yeah, the sun shines better. Cruising Monterey, couldn't feel no better. HOVSCO HovBeta. HOVSCO, ayy, HovBeta. Ayy, 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 ayy. Past the wharf where the sea lions play. 48 volts in a perfect day.
Out here in Monterey Bay, you can see the paddle boarders behind me. I've had my HOVSCO for a couple weeks now. I've actually made it my everyday rider. My previous bike was electric. I loved it, but it was slightly too tall for me. This one, so much better. I'm only 5'2", so I don't have to have the seat all the way down in order to reach the ground, which is really nice. We went for a ride today. Took advantage of the basket. Have a couple little things going here. I'm going to be getting a rear basket because one of the things we do when we travel with the RV is we often take the bikes to run errands, run to the grocery, take some laundry, something like that. So having that rear basket is going to be super helpful. Sold out right now, but I know they're coming back, so we'll be getting one. Overall, loving the HOVSCO so far. Pedal's really easy. I normally ride on maybe pedal assist 2 or 3 if I'm on a hill, but I haven't had to go above that actually. It rides really smooth, gives me a lot of little extra oomph, gets me where I'm going. So far I'm loving it. Lots of people have stopped me and said they love the purple color, which I do too. It looks really great. It looks like automotive grade paint. It's a really vibrant saturated purple. Most electric bikes come in white and black.
Maybe red.
It's maybe red. It's rare to get a purple. This one's really pretty. Just want to wish everyone a very happy 4th of July. Happy 250th anniversary to America. We're out enjoying the holiday, riding our bikes. We're on the bike trail in Monterey Bay. Tons of people out. Really festive atmosphere. People are excited for the fireworks tonight. And we've just been having a great time riding the HOVSCOs up and down the trail.
Happy birthday, America.
America.
Palm trees lean, sideways breeze. Something in the air, got a hold on me. Storefront lights, flicker slow. Everybody's got somewhere they gotta go. Hey, leave it all behind. Hey, just for the night. Ride with me, ride with me. Windows down, feeling free, no plan. hotter than California in July. Bum bum bada bum 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 bada bum. Bum bum bada bum 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 bada bum. White shades, cherry coat, laughing at a private joke. Hair blowing out the passenger side, got the whole town hypnotized. Flip flops on the dashboard light, golden hour every night. She don't try, she don't know, makes the temperature rise slow. Ooh, ooh, there she goes again. Ooh, ooh, messing with my head. She's hotter than California in July. Everybody turns around when she walks by. Sun goes down but she still shines. Ooh, is living rent free in my mind.
You asked, we delivered. Now we have memberships. You can join Wander Wiseley and be a part of our adventure. You can be a weekender, a boondocker, or a wanderer. Each level has different benefits, some of which are seeing our videos early, getting merchandise, or just following along for the adventure. So join, and don't forget to get your Spreco merchandise at the Spreco shop. Show your pride, represent your vehicle, and support Wander Wiseley. We love you.
With the beat, summer sticking to the seats, radio playing something cool. She's the reason